Bitcoin can make you rich overnight, or it can wipe out your entire savings just as fast. The real question is Bitcoin a smart investment or just a gamble? Before you invest a single dollar, you need to understand the risks. Today, we're breaking it all down in simple terms. Why Bitcoin is risky, and why Singapore REITs or REIT ETFs are a better, more stable way to build real wealth. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the top REITs and ETFs in Singapore that can generate steady, passive income for you. Hit the like button, subscribe to Wealth for You, and let's get started. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. The views expressed in this video are personal opinions and should not be taken as professional guidance. Invest wisely. Chapter 1. The Bitcoin Hype. Is it investment or gambling? Bitcoin is the superstar of the investing world. It's exciting, it's hyped up, and people think it's their ticket to becoming a millionaire. But let's be real. Bitcoin has no fundamentals, no earnings, no cash flow, no dividends. Its price is purely based on what people are willing to pay for it. That means Bitcoin can go up fast, but it can also crash hard. Bitcoin has dropped by 80 to 90% multiple times. Imagine putting in $10,000 today, and in a few months, it's only worth $2,000. Can you really sleep well at night with that risk? Chapter 2. What makes Singapore REITs different? Now let's talk about something real. Something that pays you while you sleep. Singapore REITs. Unlike Bitcoin, which depends purely on speculation, REITs are backed by real, physical properties. Shopping malls, office buildings, logistics hubs, and data centers that people and businesses actually use every day. These properties generate rental income from tenants, whether it's a major tech company renting an office, a retail brand paying for space in a shopping mall, or an e-commerce giant leasing a warehouse. And guess what? That rental income doesn't just stay with the REIT, it gets shared with you as dividends. In Singapore, REITs are required to pay out at least 90% of their rental income as dividends, meaning investors like you receive regular payouts without lifting a finger. That's passive income you can rely on instead of gambling on price swings like Bitcoin. Chapter 3. The Power of Passive Income. Why REITs are a game changer. Imagine this. Every 3 months you receive a payout from REITs. That's real money hitting your bank account without you having to do anything. Singapore REITs typically offer a 5 to 6% dividend yield. That means if you invest $50,000, you could receive around $2,500 to $3,000 per year in passive income. Money you can use for your daily expenses, reinvest, or even treat yourself. No stress, no need to check prices every day, and no gambling on unpredictable price swings. Just sit back, collect dividends, and let your money work for you. Chapter 4. Which Singapore REITs or ETFs should you consider? So where do you start? Here are some simple options. Lion Phillip S REIT ETF, a basket of strong Singapore REITs. Nikko AM Straits Trading Asia X Japan REIT ETF, diversifies across Asia REITs. SPDR STI ETF, if you want exposure to Singapore's top companies including REITs. Or if you prefer individual REITs. CapitaLand Integrated Commercial Trust, owns malls like Plaza Singapura and Bugis Junction. Mapletree Industrial Trust, owns data centers and industrial properties. Fraser's Logistics and Commercial Trust, invests in warehouses and logistics hubs. These REITs have strong fundamentals, and best of all, they pay you dividends. Final thoughts, what should you do now? Look, I'm not saying you can't own Bitcoin, but if your goal is financial security, steady growth, and passive income, then Singapore REITs are the smarter choice. Bitcoin may be exciting, but it's also highly volatile and purely speculative. You could double your money or lose 80 to 90% of it overnight, all based on market hype. No earnings, no cash flow, just price speculation. On the other hand, Singapore REITs give you real, tangible assets that generate rental income, paying out consistent dividends every quarter. Instead of worrying about Bitcoin price swings, why not build a portfolio that pays you while you sleep? So, what do you think? Do you prefer the thrill of Bitcoin or the stability of REITs? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, hit the like button so more people can see it. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth for You for more simple and smart investing tips. Take care, invest wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.